welcome back to my vlog, The Real Shreka. So today's vlog is we are going on a outing, family outing on Busay, like I don't know where. Anyways, we are going there at 1 p.m. because our check-in time is 3 p.m. So yeah, get ready with me. Anyways, my cousin is here. She's still sleeping because we slept at 1 a.m. Anyways, get ready with me. So guys, it's 10 a.m. Tinapatuko ko balik. And akong igago kay mata na siya. Mata na siya guys. Cellphone na mi. Oh my god. Ay, unsa pa oras LG? 10 or 9? 9. It's almost 10 na day. So we are going to go and prepare. So get ready with us. So guys, manamig ligo. And it is 10:51. So guys, si LJ kay nag-makeup pa siya. Ara guys ay. So guys, kay ako mag-ilis pa man ko, then after mag-ilis kay mag-makeup sa ko. Kailangan natin mag-sunscreen kasi ang init sa labas, hindi makaya. Para dili ta masunburn. So guys, manamig makeup. Makita LJ. So it is 12. It is 11:21. And the car will arrive here at 12, yeah, soon. So we'll be back. So guys, we are just waiting at 1 o'clock because at 1 o'clock we are going ahead. So guys, this is our fit. Paano siya? It's simple.
Hey guys!
So guys, we're going ahead because it is 12:50. So it's so hot and yeah. So guys, we're here. Si Daddy guys. Hey, Madam is here. So guys, we're here.
Hi guys! It's so beautiful.
is the pool. This is the view. Like, it's so nice. And we are going to change our OOTD. Of course, later. Yeah. So guys, we are here naman. We are going to eat pa later. Ay, naalagi ko. Apple ko, sorry. So, mukhaon na mi. And we are going to eat. Yeah. Maligo na ka?
Oh, kaon pa man to.
Mukhaan pa.
Pwede na daw.
Mukhaan pa.
Si S gani?
Mukhaon pa.
Ito like kaon, ito lagi dito sa kuan ba?
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you! Hi guys, so we're done eating.
Lika, ako na dito balik ko panit.
Man ako, nikaon ako daghan. So guys, later kay magkuan ni mga ligo. Tugno kay tubig di. Hi guys, so today we are done. We are done na sa tugnaw kay ang pool guys. It's so cold. Pag English ako din, di kaya dito kayo ba? We're just resting right now. And it's so cold. Bro, tugnaw sa America. Oh. Aha. Ito, punta. So guys, maligo me again. Rio! Rio! Hi! Waki! So guys, naligo migbalik. It's so cold.
Another one, another one.
Hi guys, so it's so cold. Ito naman si LG guys.
I'm holding for
Ace!
life.
Guys,
No. It's literally just.
swim, 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 swim faster! So guys, we just finished swimming because it's so cold and I just can't. So guys, I'm just going to put some pimple eraser. So guys, we are going to the pool. So magna-night swimming kami kahit ang ginaw. So yeah. So guys, magna-night swimming kami kahit ang ginaw talaga. Yeah. Hi guys, so it's so cold. So tugnaw ka guys. Wala channel. So guys, malamig ligo kay it's so cold na yun, di na makaya. Look, magic. Good morning guys. So it's morning and I slept at 10 I guess. And it's so cold. So guys, later we are going to eat breakfast because Tita is still gone cooking. day tugnaw gabi idi.